No.
It's your fault for being out here.
Recording this. I don't really care about it. I don't really care about it. It's really rare. Sorry guys, the tripod attachment is broken. And that's from my camera, sadly. Okay. Some more heavier snow recorded on my other camera. Trees are starting to sway again. Okay guys, looks like we're getting another little burst here. There's another little bit. Ow! Yep, it's coming in again. Alley-oop. Alley-oop. Wow. Dusting it out. Okay, so winds look like they're starting to warm up again, like they were in the previous video, except there are no big snowflakes. The Casio I recorded. Okay, looks like the car's tires are like sunk into the ground here. And I'm supposed to get 6 inches by 8 a.m. That's pretty much all I can give you. Just keep watching the National Weather Service and WSB Channel 2. And, which actually I'm gonna go ahead and post this on. See here to this. And, okay, it sounds like we're getting sleet now. We're getting sleet. A little bit of crackling. And a little bit of wind coming in. Lots of wind actually. Look at that. Look at this. Get a load of this. Get a load of this. Wow.
Damn, shoulder, take off.
Whoa. The temperature right now, it's actually 16 degrees, so it's gonna accumulate, alright? Wind chill should be in the single digits if it's that cold, so I guess it's pretty cold. Let's get a load of the table that looks like a freaking cake. Which looks like it's gathered up about 2 to 3 inches there. As well as the sunken cars from the blowing ice and snow. And the heavy winds that go along with this, like 36 miles an hour or something like that. Or at least gusting than 36. So cold. I'm gonna go ahead and take. Okay, I've decided to take the tripod and I'm gonna go ahead and record the rest from hand. Let's take it up.
Step back. Got it.
Okay. This. I think this has become a handy camera because the thing on the bottom they connect the tripod to broke. Ah well, it's more of a handy camera anyway. It's not much of a tripod. Getting other cameras. It's not like. Well, that looks nice. That looks nice. That looks beautiful there. Yikes. Okay guys, it's been 9 minutes, has it? Alright, just gonna show you the rest of the scenery and go ahead and take a break. A little coffee break till 8 a.m. Unless there's any more accumulation. But this ends it for now. I'm gonna go ahead and do some reviews tomorrow morning. Go ahead and dig out the snow and see what it's got.